world is a vast ocean of energy. And I'm not talking about this in a woo-woo sense. I'm talking about waves and cycles. Regardless how powerful or wealthy you are, the ocean is always more powerful than you. You can't control it, but you can control the quality of mind you bring to your situation. That's what allows you to create flow and surf the waves successfully. Where people go wrong is when they start believing they have control over uncontrollable variables. They hit a hot streak, buy into their own hype, and over-leverage themselves. Then, they wipe out hard, panic, and make desperate moves to get back to baseline. But fortune does not favor desperation. It favors clarity. And clarity comes from understanding probabilities and having a code for making decisions. Winning and losing comes down to what side of probabilities you fall on. Every performance-based field follows the same math. Elite sales closers don't close anywhere near 100%. The best VCs lose on most investments. The absolute best hitters bat around 0.3, which means they lose more often than they win. The only difference is the wins are big enough to cancel out the losses. If they would panic every single time there's a loss, their minds would flood with fear and the performance would suffer. The monkey brain thinks its very survival is at stake, even though it's all an illusion. By keeping the L's in proper perspective, they unlock their true abilities. This edge in psychology drives the edge in methodology, and that edge extracts the fruit out of life, profits, swoops, etc. The ironic thing is that the biggest winners in life are also the best losers. They understand that losing is a natural part of the process, and that it's something to become skilled in. The goal is not to win every single iteration right now. It's simply to commit to the process. You don't need perfection. You just need to apply the right edge in an uncertain world. If this video helped you, be sure to click the link in the description for more.